Checking the equivalent fractions. If the two fractions are equivalent, then we can check the equivalence by cross multiplication. Example 1. Check whether 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6 are equivalent fractions. Solution: 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6. We cross multiply, that is numerator of the first fraction times denominator of the second fraction, we get to multiply 6 is equal to 12. Similarly, numerator of the second fraction times denominator of the first fraction, we get 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. So by cross multiplication we get both the values as equal and can say that the two fractions are equivalent. There is another method for checking the equivalent fraction by reducing to lowest terms. Model for equivalent fractions. Represents 1 by 3. Represents 2 by 6. Represents 4 by 12. Represents 8 by 24. Comparison of fractions. 1. Fractions having same numerator. The fractions 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 6 have 2 as numerator. We have to compare these fractions means. We have to find out the order, biggest to smallest. Let us understand it pictorially. Let us take a circle and understand the fractions. 2 upon 3. Divide the circle in 3 parts and shade 2 parts. 2 upon 4. Divide the circle in 4 parts and shade 2 parts. 2 upon 5. Divide the circle in 5 parts and shade 2 parts. 2 upon 6. Divide the circle in 6 parts and shade 2 parts. From the pictures we find that 2 upon 3 represents largest area, then comes 2 upon 4, then 2 upon 5, and finally 2 upon 6 is the smallest. So we can conclude that if 2 or more fractions have the same numerator, then the fraction which has the smallest denominator represents the greater fraction. 2 fractions having the same denominator. The fraction 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4 have the same denominator, that is 4. Let us study the pictorial representations. 1 upon 4. Divide the rectangle in 4 parts and shade 1 part. 2 upon 4. Divide the rectangle in 4 parts and shade 2 parts. 3 upon 4. Divide the rectangle in 4 parts and shade 3 parts. 4 upon 4. Divide the rectangle in 4 parts and shade all the 4 parts. From the pictures we find that 4 upon 4 is the biggest. 3 upon 4 is the next big. 2 upon 4 next big. 1 upon 4 smallest. So 4 upon 4 greater than 3 upon 4 greater than 2 upon 4 greater than 1 upon 4. Therefore, we can conclude that the fraction with greater numerator represents the greater fraction. They have the same denominator. Addition and subtraction of fractions. 1. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Like fractions means the fractions whose denominators are same. Since denominators are same, we simply add or subtract the numerators. Result of fractions is equal to sum or difference of numerators upon denominator. Reduce the result to lowest terms. If improper fraction, convert it to mixed fraction. Example 1. Add the fraction 7 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Solution. 7 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 is equal to 7 plus 5 plus 3 upon 8 is equal to 15 upon 8. Convert 15 upon 8 into mixed fraction. 15 upon 8 is equal to 1. 7 upon 8. Alternate method. We can follow one more method, that is, convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions and then add. So, 7, 6 upon 8 plus 8, 7 upon 8 plus 9, 5 upon 8 is equal to 62 upon 8 plus 71 upon 8 plus 77 upon 8 is equal to 210 upon 8. Reduce to lowest term. 105 upon 4 is equal to 26. 1 upon 4. Example 4. Subtract 15. 3 upon 5 from 38. 4 upon 5. Solution. 38. 4 upon 5 minus 15. 3 upon 5. Step 1. Subtract whole numbers. 38 minus 15 is equal to 23. Step 2. Subtract the fractional parts. 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 4 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Step 3. Add both differences obtained. 23 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 23. 1 upon 5. Answer. 23. 1 upon 5. Alternate method. Convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. 38. 4 upon 5 minus 15. 3 upon 5 is equal to 194 upon 5. 78 upon 5 is equal to 194 to 78 upon 5 is equal to 116 upon 5 is equal to 23. 1 upon 5. Example 5. Simplify. 9. 7 upon 9 minus 8. 8 upon 9 plus 6. 5 upon 9. Solution. Add 9. 7 upon 9 plus 6. 5 upon 9 is equal to 9 plus 6 plus 7. 9 plus 5. 9 is equal to 15 plus 7 plus 5 upon 9 is equal to 15 plus 12 upon 9 is equal to 15 plus 1. 3 upon 9 is equal to 16. 3 upon 9. Subtract 16. 3 upon 9 minus 8. 8 upon 9 is equal to 147 upon 9 minus 80 upon 9 is equal to 147 minus 1980 upon 9 is equal to 167 upon 9. 7. 4 upon 9. Model for addition of like terms. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. 2. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Step 1. Convert all the unlike fractions into like fractions. Step 2. Add subtract as per rules of addition and subtraction of like fractions. Example 1. Add 8, 3 upon 4 plus 7, 4 upon 5 plus 6, 5 upon 6. Solution. Step 1. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. 8, 3 upon 4 plus 7, 4 upon 5 plus 6, 5 upon 6 is equal to 8 multiply 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 7 multiply 5 plus 4 upon 5 plus 6 multiply 6 plus 5 upon 6 is equal to 35 upon 4 plus 39 upon 5 plus 41 upon 6. Step 2. Take the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. LCM is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 is equal to 60. Step 3. convert the unlike improper fractions into like fractions and add. 35 upon 4 plus 39 upon 5 plus 41 upon 6 is equal to 525 upon 60 plus 468 upon 60 plus 410 upon 60 is equal to 525 plus 468 plus 410 upon 60 is equal to 1403 upon 60. Step 4. Convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. 1403 upon 60 is equal to 23. 63 upon 60. Answer 23. 23 upon 60. Model for addition of unlike fractions. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to question mark 1 upon 4 1 upon 3 3 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12 is equal to 7 upon 12.